Good evening, friends. I am Ajad Gita Prasad Sharma from Nevada. Friends, it is an occasion of great pride that today our Constitution has turned 75 years old. We ought to take pride in the fact that this great Constitution of India has been governing us for the last 75 years. Friends, it is our Constitution that has guaranteed several freedoms to Indian citizens, and accordingly, we, the citizens of India, are enjoying our freedom. The success of Constitution is reflected in the success of people at large. The more convenient life a citizen enjoys, the better the Constitution is recognized. If people of India are enjoying their rights, we can say that our Constitution is functioning well, and on this occasion we must examine the success of our Constitution, whether and to what extent the Constitution has been successful in giving its people its due rights. There is no doubt that under this Constitution, various governments are functioning in the interest of people, but it would not be wrong to say that a lot still needs to be done for the people and for the success of the Constitution. The responsibility of implementing the Constitution lies in the hands of a few powerful persons, and a large chunk of population depends on the honesty of the people in power. But despite the lapse of 75 years, a large chunk of Indian population, Indian citizens, is still lagging behind their due benefits. It is very disheartening to see that at the ground level, people are still languishing in various hardships. The people, the persons who have the responsibility of implementing our constitution are not honest at all levels. We find that at all levels people are being exploited by none other than the persons who own the responsibility of implementing our constitution. So ultimately the question arises, how can this lacuna in the implementation of the constitution can be rectified? People of India hand over their power to their representatives to run the constitution. But it is seen that expectations of the people are not being fulfilled, because so many corrupt and dishonest persons are representing our masses. It would not be wrong to say that for this situation, people at large too are responsible for this worsening situation. People must hand over their power, must choose their leaders who are honest, who can run the constitution, who can implement the constitution in the interest of the society and people at large. So, on this pious occasion, we ought to take pledge to rectify such shortcomings in our system and make our constitution great. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.